Did you know that Switzerland is one of the top winter destinations, with its snow Alps and charming cities such as Bern and St. Moritz? This country will never fail to take your breath away and leave you wondering whether you are immersed in a dream. In 1930s, Japanese physicist Ukichiro Nakaya studied this shape and how temperature and humidity affect their formation. He found that star-shaped crystals form at lowest temperature and the branching occurs at highest humidity. What is snow? Snow is defined as solid precipitation which occurs in a variety of mini ice crystals at temperature well below 0 degrees Celsius, but as larger snowflakes at temperature near 0 degrees Celsius. It is one of the UK's most striking weather phenomena, causing a transformation of the world around us, but it can also lead to the potential for disruption. How does snow form? Snow forms when tiny ice crystals in clouds stick together to become snowflakes. If enough crystals stick together, they'll become heavy enough to fall to the ground. Snowflakes that descend through moist air that is slightly warmer than 0 degrees Celsius will melt around the edge and stick together to produce big flakes. Snowflakes that fall through cold, dry air produce powdery snow that does not stick together. Snow forms when temperatures are low and there is moisture in the atmosphere in the form of tiny ice crystals. How cold does it have to be snow? Precipitation falls as snow when the air temperature is below 2 degrees Celsius. It is a myth that it needs to be below 0 to snow. In fact, in UK, the heaviest snowfalls tend to occur when the air temperature is between 0 and 2 degrees Celsius. The falling snow does begin to melt as soon as the temperature rises above freezing, but as the melting process begins, the air around the snowflake is cooled. Snowfall can be defined as light, moderate, or heavy. When combined with strong winds, a snowfall can create blizzard and drift. If the temperature is warmer than 2 degrees Celsius, then the snowflake will melt and fall as sleet rather than snow. And if it's warmer still, it will be rain. What are the differences between wet snow and dry snow? Wet snow is occur when the temperature is slightly warmer than 0 degrees Celsius. The snowflake will melt and around the edge and stick together to become big, heavy flakes. This creates wet snow which stick together easily and is good for making snowmen, but is much more difficult to shovel due to its fate. Dry snow, the size and shape of a snowflake depends on how many ice crystals stick together, which is determined by the temperature of the air. Snowflakes that fall through dry, cold air will be small and powdery. They won't stick together very much. This is what we call dry snow. It's great for snow sports like skiing and snowboarding, but it's more likely to drift in windy weather. This is dangerous while driving because it obscures the road lines from vision and often causes quite a few car accidents. Why road crew put salt on the snow as the first thing to do? Salt does not actually melt the snow. Instead, the salt lowers the freezing point of water, so ice and snow turn to liquid when they come into contact with the salt. In addition, any existing water on already surface will not freeze when salt is added. There is one question for you guys. Why snowflakes have different structure? That's all from me. I'll see you guys soon. Bye!